Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. We're closing out my first paycheck of June, and we're going to see where exactly that I put my money. I did close out my spending for last week of May, and I had $85 remaining. I will roll those monies into my sinking funds. I'm not per se going to put it in the rollover section here in the budget, but I will do that in my cash planning separately. So let's jump into the numbers real quick. So for my first paycheck, well, I guess it is my full-time paycheck, I got $1,939.88. And then my part-time was $891.20. And for other is still going to be 0, and rollover will be 0. Okay, so we are working with, why do I feel like that's not right? Maybe it is right. Did I add that wrong? No, that's right. Okay, so we have $2,831.08. As always, I do $618 for my mortgage. I split it in half. iCloud came in at $10.99. Ameren was $42.78. My city utilities was actually lower, so it was $133.64, and that's nice. My internet is $100 even. We're sitting $133 aside for my Navient student loans, and we're sitting $222 aside for Mohila. I am extremely exhausted. At work, I had to switch offices. They moved me office, and I have a ginormous desk and like a big filing cabinet and all of that stuff. And I end up hurting my hand and some other things. And so yesterday I came home, I showered, I jumped in the bed, and I was asleep before 7:45, I think. I was extremely exhausted. I'm still exhausted, but I wanted to go ahead and film this real quick. So my total for my fixed expenses I feel like I can't read my own writing, is $1,260.41. And I'm going to subtract that from my income. So we have $15.70.67. So for my variable expenses, we are doing a $400 for Discover. And then for therapy, I am going to do $35. And then for medication, we are going to do $15. For my groceries, we're doing $160, and then home will be the $20. We are going to do $210 for fuel. Our fuel did come down a little bit. It is just slightly under $3.99, $3.98, somewhere around there. So it did come down like 20 cents. Spending, we're going to do $40. Eating out will still be $60, and then we're going to do $10 for miscellaneous. And then I am going to do, was I doing a $10 buffer? Nope, let's not do our $10 buffer. Okay, so my variable is $950. And we're going to subtract that from $15.70.67. So we have $620.67. And so down here in my savings and debt plan, the home maintenance is $75. It's an automatic transfer. The Ally savings is the same thing. It's a $10 transfer. And then we're going to do $450 for my sinking funds. I split this up $225 each week. This does include annual subscriptions and my premium for my car insurance. So what do we have left? So we're going to subtract $450, and then we're going to subtract the $85. So we have $85 left. Is that right? $620 minus $450 minus $85. Yeah. Okay, so we have $85.67 that we are going to put towards the Discover. So my payment for my Discover will be $485.67. So the total for this section is $620.67. Perfect. So that is where I'm going to put my money for my budget. But let me put this to the side. I did receive some Happy Mail. Okay, so I got some Happy Mail and I won a giveaway, and this was from Ray at Budgeting Betty Ray. I will link her channel down below. So this is what I got in the giveaway. Whole bunch of savings challenges. So this is the emergency car fund one. Most of these I think are from Budgeting with Chloe, which is nice. This is a Feeling Lucky one. And then I like these placeholders. So this is in the bank. And then these are some $100 placeholders. And then there's this like dinosaur savings challenge. That's really freaking cute. And then we have like a 4th of July, St. Patty's, Thanksgiving. Hopefully you can see that. An Easter one. This one is from Penny Palette Budget. That's really cute. I like that. And that's a total of $430. So that's really nice. This is the Roll the Dice, and this is Jasmine Plans Studio. And then there's a $50 savings challenge, a $10 savings challenge, a $2 savings challenge. Then I have a Second Amendment one, Dutch Bros, Doggy Daycare, a hair one, another emergency fund one. And then this is just some other savings challenges. This is a Christmas one. That's really cute. So I will be using some of these upcoming. So thank you again, Ray. I appreciate it. Love her channel. If you're not subscribed, I'd highly encourage you to go over there and subscribe. Show her some love and some support. She does amazing. So that is all that I have for you guys. I thank you for tuning in for this quick video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye.